Yes, I am live. I am live and I am in contact, in communication with all my students. Those students who are going to write their next biology paper on Tuesday. So here we are for the preparation of this biology paper. We have 4 days in our hand. Today, that is Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And we are planning to use all the 4 days so that you can score maximum marks. That is 40 on 40 in physics. First, I will like to know from you whether all the pictures and audio is clear. Can you hear me and see me properly? Please type in a chat box. Yes, hello to everyone. Am I clearly visible and audible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me properly? Let me know that. Yes, Abhay, hi. Sukhvinder, hi. Andrew, hi. Yes, yes. Now, today was your chemistry paper, right? I have your chemistry paper with me. I was about to prepare analysis of a chemistry paper and give the answer key, but I have my other classes also, so I did not get that much of time. So I thought this taking biology class is more important than anything else. Now look at this question paper, and if you see my midnight predictions, right? And if you have attended, if you have seen midnight prediction, and for chemistry I have taken MCQ questions, also I have taken observation and other question. If you have followed me in those 3 days of gap or 4 videos which I have taken, I am sure this must be a very good paper for you all. When I was taking a class, chemistry class, I was talking about a brown ring test. Brown ring test. And some of the students were typing in a chat box that it is out of syllabus. It is out of syllabus. So it was not out of syllabus. I insisted a student to learn what? To learn this brown ring test and see here there were a question, 4 mark question related to that. Not only that, in my midnight prediction, how do I know that it is in a syllabus? I know it is in a syllabus because not only what you do for chemistry is you follow only the lesson topic given in the lesson, but you don't see the practical work. You don't see the practical work. In this practical work, it was there. And also one question related to manganese, right? Some students, when I was taking that question, students were telling me, sir, this is also out of syllabus. So moral of the story is that I will like to tell you all कि I go through the syllabus very minutely. And if I am saying that you have to learn this, then you have to learn this. Same thing happened in, yes, Kifu is saying that I saved his or her, I don't know, it is a boy or a girl, 4 marks, right? Okay, and I was telling you this happened for a history paper as well. In history paper, when I was teaching RITS, I had taken a question regarding RITS. Students were telling me that it is not in a syllabus. I told that there are 5 RITS, learn all of them. At least 1 mark question will come, but not one, not three. There were 3 questions asked. You have to write 3 RITS for 3 marks. So listen to my words carefully. Listen to my words carefully. I found that most of the students found this chemistry paper even more difficult than chemistry. Let me know. More difficult than physics. Let me know how was your chemistry paper. Arav Ghosh is telling me that everything come from your prediction. Okay, prediction as well as my sheets which I share. Today I am going to take differentiate between. I am aware of the fact. I am aware of the fact that most of the students are trying to take a break today since they have 3 days holidays. Maybe they are relaxing. But I thought no problem, let them relax. I'll go and I'll take this class, and later on they can rewind. Okay, they can rewind this, or maybe recorded, they can see this video in a form of a recorded lectures. Okay, I always believe that. I always believe that. Okay. Now Canva me is saying that some of you have found this channel only today. So stay connected. Stay connected. इन सेम वन ऑल्सो, सेम वन में भी हमने धूम मचा दी थी. सेम वन में भी जो है, सेम वन के वक्त हमारा चैनल वॉज फेयरली न्यू, जस्ट फ्यू डेज कुछ. ओके, what prompted me to come on YouTube? I saw that there are so many teachers, वो ना ही reduce syllabus को follow कर रहे हैं, or what, I don't know what they are teaching. All they are wasting the times of the students, right, by teaching wrong thing or things which are out of the syllabus. So I thought there should be someone who gives a relevant information, who gives the authentic information and correct information. That prompted me to come here. And I teach only, okay, I have taught for state board, CBSE board, and ICSE board also. But from last 6 years, I am taking classes only for ICSE board. I closely follow this board, and I love this board because this board is challenging. It encourages the student to do innovative thinking, right? तो चलो बातें तो चलते ही रहेंगी. Now I already have uploaded कि same question, differentiate between all the important, differentiate between from the entire syllabus. Okay, I am not going to take many questions. I am going to take only super 20 questions. Yes, super 20 questions from the entire syllabus. Okay, आई फील दैट इसमें से एटलीस्ट 3 आउट ऑफ 20 एटलीस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आप लोगों के एग्जाम में, आपके बायोलॉजी के पेपर में. सो बी केयरफुल, बी अटेंटिव, हर एक क्वेश्चन एकदम ध्यान से देखना. आई विल नॉट एक्सटेंड माई क्लास टुडे. आज ज्यादा देर तक मैं नहीं लेने वाला हूं, बट जितना देर भी लूंगा, ओके, आई एम श्योर इट विल बी अ बेस्ट क्लास. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Today's class is differentiate between. What is it about? It is about differentiate between, right? So differentiate between we are going to take. And in biology, ICSE semester 2 biology, differentiate between. Okay, differentiate between is differentiate between is very important question. And what form of question is asked? What form of question is asked? Okay, question asked is a guided question. What do I mean by guided question? When you write a differentiate between two terms, when you write the difference between two terms, so a point will be given ki differentiate in terms of the location of these two biological terms, or function of the two biological terms, or anything else. Yes, I agree, sir. Tarun Rupani is a very hard working sir. Okay, I see that he is all the time on the YouTube helping the students. Okay, so I really respect him. I really love him. There are few teachers on YouTube who are doing a good work, and Tarun Rupani is one of those sirs. I really admire him, and I also love him. Right? But anyway, what are you here for? Learning. So let us learn and not take any names or anything like that. Okay? But before we move on with our class, see one diagram. If you see specimen paper, if you see your specimen paper, there was a diagram asked to be drawn. Okay, there will be a diagram based question. There will be a diagram based question. Diagram will be given and followed by some questions. And followed by some questions. Okay, diagram will be given and you have to answer those questions. Not only that, आपको डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं. And they will ask you to label 2 parts. So that diagram will be for 2 marks. Or they may ask you to label 3 parts. 3 parts. Okay, so that diagram will be for 3 marks. Again, it is possible that they may ask you to label 3 parts and diagram will be either for 3 or 4 marks. सो आई हैव अ वीडियो. अगर आपका ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं है, इफ योर ड्राइंग इज गुड, देन फाइन, फैंटास्टिक, ओके, दैट इज एन एडेड एडवांटेज. लेकिन अगर आपका ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं है, यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू ड्रॉ डायग्राम्स फ्रॉम बायोलॉजी, सो आई हैव दिस 6 वीडियोज. ओके, ये 6 डायग्राम जरूर प्रैक्टिस करना. एंड आई कैन बेट ऑन दिस, आई कैन टेल यू फॉर श्योर, इट इज माई प्रेडिक्शन एंड आई एम डैम श्योर अबाउट इट कि ये डायग्राम जो है, आउट ऑफ दिस 6 डायग्राम, एक डायग्राम आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है. सो आई हैव मेड अ वीडियो कि इजीली इस डायग्राम को कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, इजीली इस डायग्राम को कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू ड्रॉ न्यूरॉन, हाउ टू ड्रॉ किडनी, हाउ टू ड्रॉ मैल्फिजियन बॉडी और अ मैल्फिजियन कैप्सूल. ओके, ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो था वो स्पेसिमेन पेपर में आया था. कैन इट बी रिपीटेड, कैन विल इट नॉट बी रिपीटेड? बोथ द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर पॉसिबल. एनीवे, ये डायग्राम बहुत इजी है. फॉलो माय वीडियो. ओके, वीडियो को देखो, एकदम इजीली कैसे ड्रॉ करने का आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट. नॉट ओनली दैट, हाउ टू ड्रॉ नेफ्रॉन, दिस इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. फिर भी इसके ट्रिक्स दिए हुए, हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम easily. Then excretory system, and finally artery and vein. Still, I will tell you all, malphizian body, kidney or artery and vein. malphizian body, kidney, artery और vein, ये तीनों डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने का प्रैक्टिस रखो. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, मेल्फिजियन बॉडी, किडनी एंड आर्टरी एंड वेन, ये तीनों डायग्राम प्रैक्टिस करो. एटलीस्ट ड्रॉ इट 2 टाइम्स और 3 टाइम्स. अगर आप लोग ड्राइंग में अच्छे हैं तो नो नीड टू प्रैक्टिस इट अगेन एंड अगेन. लेकिन इफ यू आर सो और वीक इन ड्राइंग, तो ये डायग्राम जो है बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. ओके, सिट, watch this diagram along with pencil and scale, along with your pencil and eraser. You will find that ये बहुत easy तरीके से बताया हुआ है. तो maybe 1 or 2 out of these 3 diagrams will be asked in the examination. Okay, एक डायग्राम तो डेफिनेटली पूछा जाएगा, एक डायग्राम तो डेफिनेटली पूछा जाएगा. और अगर एक नहीं तो 2 डायग्राम कैन ऑल्सो कम. ओके, so these are 3 diagrams which are very very important. Okay, and what happens, student do lot of mistake while writing true or false. Okay, in true or false, what you have to do, you not only have to write your answer whether true or false, but also you have to correct in case if a given statement is a false statement. तो कैसे करेक्ट किया जाता है false statement, that I have discussed in this diagram. Then important functions. ओके, फंक्शंस वाले क्वेश्चंस को कैसे करेक्टली सॉल्व लिखना है. एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, लोकेशन जब भी बताएंगे, आई विल टेक सुपर 20 क्वेश्चंस फॉर ईच ऑफ देम. okay, super 40 questions for location and function also, because location, I have seen that student don't write properly. When you write a location, there should be 2 reference point, there should be 2 reference point. Okay, then diagram based question, is diagram based question में, okay, I have given a PDF का link. Go to this diagram based question where I have given a PDF link. उसमें पूरे syllabus के सारे diagram based question दिए हुए हैं. So download that, if possible take out a printout. It will be a very good practice for you all. It is going to be a very good practice, right? Then coming, I have a video on nervous system. This chapter is covered. Also, I have taken a super 20 question for circulatory system. And especially, I will like to tell you this. This is a lucky charm video. Okay, this is a lucky charm video. I want, okay, सुबह जब आप एग्जामिनेशन देने के लिए जाओगे तो ये जरूर देखना वीडियो. Okay, this is an inspirational video. This is a motivational video. These are 2 videos which are inspirational and motivational video. Please watch this lucky charm wala video. Okay, where do you get this video? I'll let you know. And this video, biology Tagdi strategy ICSE class 10. Please watch this video. I will tell you so much of hard work I have put into this while preparing this video. Okay, you can see here, you can go, okay, your channel, that is Pravin Sir's PrepWin ICSE. This is your channel. Okay, and I see that students have supported this channel, and they have welcomed this channel with their open arms, right? The kind of response they have given me in last week, okay, I could definitely say students are giving very good response. So if you go to about us wala part, okay, you will get the inspirational video. Okay, and over here go to a biology ka go to our channel, then go to biology and see this biology tagdi strategy. I will click this and see the quality of the video. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है जब पढ़ाई करने के बावजूद भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो. Okay, what are the mistakes which students make? I have discussed about that, right? It will help you to avoid the. Check it out. My notes, question bank, and sample is a diagram based question. I have put a link. We ask in. Okay, anyway, just go through this video. There is a lot of information in this video, right? Two reference point. I'll give you an example. Suppose, please don't make mistake with this, right? Go through this video properly. You will understand what is the correct way of writing the answer. And before going to exam, okay, my daughter is also studying in 10th standard. It is her favorite video. You also watch this video. You will definitely be benefited out of it. Okay. So चलो अब हम लोग काम अपनी काम की बातें करते हैं. Right. So have all my students, all my champions attending this class. Okay. Chalo, if you have not liked this video, just like it. We are about to start. We are about to start. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Very good. Very good. If you have not liked the video so far, please like it. Now most of the students say that yes, biology paper जो है वो रट्टा मारने वाला subject है, उसको सिर्फ बायट करना है. तो yes, to some extent you are right. But if you understand and if you study, it is a beautiful subject. So here comes my first question. Differentiate between erythrocytes and leukocytes. Any idea? Type in a chat box. What do we mean by erythrocytes? What do you mean by erythrocytes? Please type in a chat box. Erythrocytes are what? Yes, what are the erythrocytes? Erythrocytes are definitely RBCs, red blood cells. Okay, red blood cells. And leukocytes means WBCs, white blood cells. So differentiate between them. Okay, WBC and RBC. What should be your point of difference? What should be your point of difference? Point of difference will be function. Five. Okay, this is what I call the guided difference between. Okay, guided difference between. You have to write only about the functions. Can you tell me what is the function of erythrocyte and what is the function of leukocyte and what is the major difference? Yes, leukocytes transport respiratory gases. Sorry, erythrocytes, RBCs transfer respiratory gases. And WBC, okay, what is the work of WBC? To provide a protection. And how does it provide the protection? By producing antibodies. So here is the answer. I told you I'll give you question as well as answer. If I am blocking a vision, we are not going to have many questions today. Only 20 questions, super 20 questions. और इन 20 में से 3 क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में जरूर आएंगे. डोंट वेट टिल द मिडनाइट. अभी ही मैं जो है, सम स्टूडेंट से दैट सर इतना लेट क्यों डालते, 2 दिन पहले मिडनाइट प्रेडिक्शन करो. तो स्टिल यू हैव व्हाट 3.5 days बिफोर योर एग्जामिनेशन. अभी मैं प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ, राइट? सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ मी. राइट, तो आपको पता चलेगा। तो एरिथ्रोसाइट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट रेस्पिरेटरी गैसेस, इफ एट ऑल आई एम ब्लॉकिंग वॉट एवर इज रिटन ओवर हियर, don't worry, at the end I'll run this ppt, okay, or else I will put question as well as answer in the description box. So keep on checking the link, okay, of checking the description box of all the videos. You will find so many interesting things, okay, so many interesting PDFs, PPTs, which are of your use in this description box. And function erythrocyte transport respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, okay, one is taken inside, other one is given outside. So those respiratory gases transportation is done by erythrocytes. And leukocytes produce antibodies and protect the body from disease causing germs. अगर आपका WBC स्ट्रांग है तो कोरोना या कोई भी वायरस आपका कोई बाल भी बाका नहीं कर सकते, ओके। आई एम नॉट दैट गुड एट हिंदी, बट आई होप मैंने डायलॉग जो मारा वो करेक्ट ही मारा, ओके। लेट्स गो नाउ। यार WBC and RBC again same, but as I told you, this difference between will be a guided difference, right? So this time we want कि origin कहाँ ये प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, कहाँ ये प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। कैन यू टेल मी? आई विल सी इन अ चैट बॉक्स, okay, where will be they produced? Yes, well, where they will be produced? RBCs will be produced. Any correct answer? RBCs will be produced where? In a bone marrow. In where? In a bone marrow, right? And what about WBCs? Yes, I could see my champions giving the correct answer. Yes, and WBCs originate in the lymph nodes of long bones. You can check out this answer. RBCs are originated in the bone marrows, whereas WBCs are originated in the lymph nodes of a long bone. क्या आप जो नोट्स रेफर करते हैं उसमें कुछ और लिखा हुआ है? आई कैन ऑलवेज एश्योर, ओके, जो मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड है दे ऑल नो माई आंसर्स आर 100% करेक्ट। ये सारे के सारे नोट्स मैंने खुद बनाए हैं, okay. I am teaching ICSE board from so many years, so I prepare a notes, and every years I keep on upgrading it, changing it as per the changes are made by the council. So these notes what I already have used while taking or while teaching the students, while taking lectures in my class, or while teaching my students. So you can be rest assured, more than 100% sure, कि अगर मैंने दिया हुआ है तो आई हैव वेरीफाइड, क्रॉस वेरीफाइड, और वो नोट्स ऐसे ही होंगे, टू द पॉइंट होंगे, एंड इट विल बी इन अ वे इट शुड बी रिटन इन द एग्जामिनेशन। सेम अगर आप लोग लिख कर आते हो तो आपको 100% मार्क्स मिलने का गारंटी है। आई कैन राइट ऑन अ स्टैम्प पेपर एंड आई कैन गिव इट टू यू। So please listen carefully, okay? After this we will move on to third question, very important question, okay, very important question. Distinguish between blood plasma and serum. Blood plasma and serum. Now we want composition of blood plasma and composition of serum. Tell me what is the difference, tell me what is the difference. Yes, white bone, what is white bone? Blood plasma and serum, what we want? Composition, okay. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Blood plasma is a liquid portion. Now when we see blood, okay, there is a watery part, and all the corpuscles are floating in that watery part. So that watery part, okay, yellowish watery part is called what? Is called blood plasma. Is called blood plasma. Blood plasma. Can I see? Yes, my champions are giving correct answer. Okay, yes, my champions are giving correct answer. Blood plasma is a liquid portion of blood, excluding entire blood minus blood corpuscles like WBC, RBCs, platelets. Remove all that. Then watery part is the blood plasma, right? Are you getting it? And what is the composition of serum? Serum is a blood plasma without a protein part, that is fibrinogen. That is fibrinogen. So here comes the answer. Here comes the answer. Okay, you can have a look at this answer, right? Can we move on to the next question? Can we move on to the next question? Again, blood plasma and serum. Now the point based upon which we want a difference is the fibrinogen. अगर आपने थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुना है, पढ़ा है, तो अगला वाला क्वेश्चन जो है वो बिल्कुल आप लोगों को इजी लगेगा. यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी इजी. यस दीपा, ओके, योर आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. So fibrinogen are present in blood plasma. Fibrinogen is are present in blood plasma, but they are absent in serum. But they are absent in serum. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. So here we go. Okay. Blood plasma fibrinogen is present. Serum fibrinogen is absent of the blood, excluding the corpuscle. We already have seen this, right? So here we go with our next question. Differentiate between lymphocytes and neutrophils. Lymphocytes and neutrophils, structure of the nucleus. Okay, lymphocyte क्या है ये? Okay, नाम तो सुना सुना लग रहा है, but क्या है ये? Sir, we are confused. Sir, help us out. So whenever you are in need, I'll always be there to remove your confusion. This is one of the most important questions. When I do a midnight prediction, तो शायद आपको उसमें ये क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. वी नो दैट WBCs are of how many parts? WBCs are of how many parts? 4, 5, 6. How much they are of? 5 parts. WBCs, okay, ल्यूकोसाइट्स. तो ये उनमें से दो है, उनमें से दो है. Lymphocytes and neutrophils are my, and we want the difference between the structure of the nucleus. Do my champions know the answer for this? Do my champions know the answer for this? Okay. What are lymphocytes? What are neutrophils? Yes, based upon the structure. Now lymphocytes, what? Neutrophil is very easy. Neutrophil is very easy. The nucleus of the neutrophils has about 3 to 4 lobes. Neutrophils have 3 to 4 lobes. But how are the lymphocytes? What is the structure of lymphocytes? They are types of WBCs. Yes, lymphocyte. Yes, single nucleus. Lymphocytes are single nucleus, and okay, it is a large with some dent like depression. With some dent like depression. Here you can go, you can have a look at this answer, right? So here we move on to question number 6. We are not going to take many questions. We are doing super 20. Super 20. Differentiate between the biological terms from the syllabus of from the biology syllabus for your semester 2 examination, right? Lub and dub. Okay, lub and dub. Differentiate between. Look at this guided point. Look at the guided point. You have to write your answer based upon this. Valves whose closure produce the sound. Lub and dub. Sound is produced when valve close. Your heart, human heart, have 4 valves. So what, closing of which valve produces a lub sound, and closing of which produces a dub sound? Let me know. Let me know. Yes, Vandana Gupta, Triple A, Triple B, Kipu, Arav Goshi, Conquer, Deepa. Okay, yes. Which one? Which one? Yes. Lub sound is produced by closure of bicuspid and tricuspid wall. Correct. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. And what about okay, what about dub sound? It is produced by closing of which wall? Let me know. Yes, dub is by semi-lunar, semi-lunar wall. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes, my champions are almost prepared for their biology paper as well. ओके और ये प्रिपरेशन आगे भी चलेगा, जोरदार चलेगा फॉर अ डे. आज के दिन बस डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन करो. ओके बाकी के टॉपिक्स हम लोग आने वाले दिन में कवर करेंगे. लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ओके लोकेशन ऑफ बाइकस्पिड वॉल and the tricuspid wall. What is the location? Let me know. Let me know. Location. Whenever there is a location, आपको दो पॉइंट बताना है. Above this, below this, or between this and this point. So tell me. Tell me. Okay, bicuspid wall. Location. Location. Okay, bicuspid wall is between what? Between which two chambers? Between which two chambers? Yes, yes, yes. Students are coming up with their answer. It is located between left auricle and left ventricle. Located between left auricle and left ventricle. Yes, yes, yes. Fine, fine, fine. What about tricuspid wall? Between right auricle and right ventricle. Yes, Vandana Gupta. It is absolutely right. Triple A, triple B. Go through this. Okay, located at the aperture. Aperture means that region. Okay, that region between left auricle and left ventricle. And tricuspid wall is located at the aperture between right auricle and right ventricle. Try to write your answer in same words. Try to write your answer in same word. ये ऐसे के ही ऐसा लिखते हो आप लोग तो फुल मार्क्स इज गारंटीड. तो बिल्कुल डरना नहीं है, आपको फुल मार्क्स जो है जरूर मिलेगा. ओके नाउ सेम बाइकस्पिड वॉल एंड ट्राइकस्पिड वॉल. दिस टाइम वी वांट डिफरेंस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द फंक्शन. क्या डिफरेंस है फंक्शन का? क्या डिफरेंस है? टेल मी. यस. Okay, location is covered. I think I am lagging in comments. Okay. Last 20 years biology PYQs. क्यों चाहिए लास्ट 20 years का? ये 20 करके जाओ, इसमें से ही एग्जाम में आने वाला है. Why you want 200? Why you want 400? Why you want 500? Differentiate between. Okay, ये काफी है. But still I'll try to put that in a description box. Last 20 years I have that also. Don't worry, I have that also. Okay, what is the answer? Chalo answer. Okay, bicuspid wall regulates blood flow from where? Okay, regulates the blood flow. Function of a bicuspid wall is that it closes, look here, it closes the opening of aurico auriculo-ventricular walls when blood rushes from left auricle into the left ventricle. In short, it regulates the blood from left auricle to left ventricle as we have seen earlier. Right? Then tricuspid wall, it closes the opening of auriculo-ventricular walls when blood rushes from right atrium to right ventricle. ओके दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट फंक्शन. एंड फंक्शन के बारे में मैं आपको ये बता दूंगा, योर फंक्शन हैज टू बी कंप्लीट. बहुत बार बच्चे लोग ओके आधा फंक्शन लिखते हैं. प्लीज वॉच माय वीडियो जो मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बताया था, स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो. उसमें सारे फंक्शंस कैसे लिखने, आपको लोकेशंस कैसे लिखने, वो सब कुछ बताया है. आई एम श्योर, okay, I am sure you are going to watch that or already you must have watched that video, right? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question, question number 9. We are going to take only 20 questions. We are going to take only 20 questions. So don't worry, okay? Pleura and pericardium location. सुना है प्यूरा, pericardium, okay? Covering. Pleura is covering of what? Okay, pericardium is covering of what? But we want location. तो वो किसको कवर करता है, किसके ऊपर होता है? That is the answer. Vandana Gupta. Okay. Yes, yes, unidirectional flow of the blood in the heart is unidirectional. It is very easy when I sit and take your class. It is very easy to read your comments, but this way it is very difficult. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. I'll try to take your comments. Okay, I'll try to read as many comments as possible. Yes, fine. Very good. Very good. Okay, pleura is the covering. Okay, pericardium. Peri means around. Cardio means heart. Okay, related to heart. Pericardium. This is the covering of the heart. And what about pleura? It is the covering of the lungs. तो location कैसा लिखेंगे? See the exact word. Pleura. It lines each lung. There are two lungs in as per human anatomy. Okay, two lungs. It lines each lungs and the wall of the chest cavity. Okay, it lines each lung and the wall of chest cavity. This, okay, this is a, you always have to write location with reference to 2 points. Then pericardium, it surround the heart and the proximal ends. Okay, ends of the aorta, vena cava and pulmonary artery. इतने अच्छे आंसर, इतने परफेक्ट आंसर, इतने टू द पॉइंट आंसर, इतने एज पर द रूल्स डिजाइन्ड बाय द काउंसिल. ओके, वेयर यू विल गेट ओनली ऑन आवर चैनल. बस नोट्स बनाकर देना है, इसलिए मैं नहीं दूंगा. ओके, आई विल गिव यू परफेक्ट नोट्स, to the points notes. So all my champions, I can definitely claim कि all those students, those who attend my video lectures, okay, और जो मेरे वीडियो देखते हैं उनको 40 on 40 मिलने का चांस जो है that will be very bright. फाइन, लेट मी नो क्या आपको पसंद आ रहा है ये सब. ओके, इफ यू आर लाइकिंग इट, प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन. प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन. कैन वी कंटिन्यू? कैन वी कंटिन्यू? हियर कम्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. यस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. या तो ये डिफरेंशिएट आएगा या तो इसका डायग्राम आ सकता है, या तो इसका डायग्राम आ सकता है. ओके, डायग्राम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई ऑलरेडी हैव अपलोडेड ए वीडियो जिसमें मैंने 6 इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स कवर किए हैं. उन 6 में से आइदर 1 or 2 डायग्राम्स विल डेफिनेटली find a place in your question paper on Tuesday. Biology paper semester 2, right? Yes. Okay. Arteries and veins. This one is very easy. This one is very easy. All of you must get this answer right. Type of blood flowing through it. All of you must go through it. Type of blood flowing through it. It is very easy. Okay, it is very difficult to read your comments when I'm taking a class. Okay, standing and taking a class. When I sit and take a class, it is much easier. Please like this video. Please like this video. Please spread this link with your friends so they are also benefited. I know most of you are taking a break today after such a hard work for last 3 to 4 days. They need a break. दे डिजर्व अ ब्रेक. ओके, लेकिन बाद में बहुत रश हो जाता है. ऑन लास्ट डे स्टूडेंट वांट दिस एज वेल एज दैट, सो आई थॉट दैट आई विल पुट this I'll go through this today. Yes, arteries, oxygenated blood, and veins carry deoxygenated blood, right? So we have walked half the way around. Okay, we have already covered 50% of the question because we are going to take super 20 questions. Only super 20 questions. So we have covered this 10. 11th wala, mitral wall and the aortic semilunar wall. Location. Okay, and location. Since we are doing a differentiate between, so location, देखो ये एक prediction है, my prediction. Location of caudate tendina. Okay, caudate tendineae. Okay, that location is very important. When I cover, okay, when I take questions based upon location, I'll include that question. वो sure short question, right? Fine. चलो, क्या लोकेशन है? यस, आई एम रीडिंग योर कमेंट्स. ओके, आई एम रीडिंग योर कमेंट्स. Mitral wall, yes, Vandana Gupta, between left atrium and left ventricle. Yes, absolutely right. And when you write a location, you have to write your location between two reference point. Two reference point. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, left atrium and left ventricles. Okay, aortic semilunar wall is originated where? Where? Aortic semilunar wall between left ventricle and aorta. Between left ventricle and aorta. I will like to make a minor change or minor addition to this answer. Okay, to this answer, because उस point के लिए you should not lose your marks. Okay, this was absolutely right. Mitral wall is found between left auricle and left ventricle. Absolutely right. I read the comment. Okay, it was absolutely right. What about this? Aortic semilunar wall is located at the point of origin. This is very important. At the point of origin of aorta. Aorta, where aorta? Where aorta? At the point of origin. Please be specific with your answer. क्योंकि हमको बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का है. ओके, वी डोंट वांट एनी रिस्क. ओके, हमारा आंसर परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो एट द पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन ऑफ एओर्टा फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. सी, such a crispy note, such a to the point note you will get only on this channel. Which channel? Your own channel, that is Pravinsir'sprepwinsicse PrepWin ICSE. Yes, last 3 to 4 days so many students have joined this channel. Okay, very unfortunate, उनको पता नहीं था. But please make sure that, okay, please make sure that this you spread this channel with all your friends, so that एग्जाम के बाद वो लोग यहाँ पहुंचेंगे, उसमें कोई फायदा नहीं है. राइट? ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 12th वाला. बिगनिंग, सी दिस, रीड केयरफुली. टाइप ऑफ द हार्ट साउंड दो ही है, लब एंड डब. ओके, टाइप ऑफ हार्ट. Beginning of ventricular systole and end of ventricular systole. What is, which one is lub and which one is dub? क्या बता सकते हैं आप लोग? Come on, quick. This is easier one. Which one? First is lub or dub? Yes, yes, yes. Triple A, triple B, caudate tendine. Okay, that is a correct information. That is a correct location. अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं differentiate between. Right, right. It's a good revision. I think some students are already prepared. They are here to revise everything and to find out a good material. Right? So here I will never let you down. Let's see here. Heart sound produced at the beginning of the ventricular systole is called lub sound. Is called lub sound. अलग अलग टेक्स्ट बुक में अलग अलग स्पेलिंग दिया हुआ है लब और डब का. डोंट वरी. Okay, at the other end of the ventricular systole it is called the dub sound. If you are confused कि कौन सा स्पेलिंग लिखे, I can assure you ये स्पेलिंग लिखना आपको कोई रॉन्ग नहीं देगा. Right? Okay, this one was fairly easy. This one was fairly easy. Absolutely right, Geeta Prasad. Okay, here we go. Okay, ureter and urethra. Okay, ureter, excretory system. We are into excretory system now. Ureter and urethra. What is the function of ureter and what is the function of urethra? Type your answer in the chat box. I am reading your chats. Type your answer. Okay. Yes. Yes. Urethra. Ureter. Ureter and urethra. Come on. Yes, Dishita Joshi. You can also try. Difference between ureter and urethra. Function. Okay, do you need no kidney wala diagram, excretory system wala diagram, that diagram is also important. Okay, वो भी कैसे draw करना है, difficult, but how you can draw it easily, I have a video on that. Please see that video. Okay, urethra is the end part. Okay, ureter, what is the answer? Okay, a tube which carries urine is a ureter, and urethra for expelling urine. Correct, correct. Absolutely right. See here, as I told you, if you are writing a function, आपको marks नहीं मिलेंगे. आपको marks नहीं मिलेंगे if you don't write the complete function. How to write the complete function? I have a video, strategy video, जो थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको दिखाया था. Okay, see how to write a complete function. So this is a complete function. Ureter carries urine from to आना बहुत जरूरी है. From to आना बहुत जरूरी है. From kidney to the urinary bladder, from kidney to the urinary bladder, and urethra passes through, is a passage through which urine is excreted out. It is a passage. Okay, so when you are writing a function, write a complete function. From or to likhna hai. Okay, don't write only one. So this is how you have to write. ऐसा आंसर लिखो, ये आंसर लिखो, एंड रेस्ट बी assured. कोई आपका आधा मार्क, 1 mark, okay, they cannot deduct any mark. Okay, please go through these notes carefully. Okay, this can be Yashika. Okay, ureter carries urine from kidney to where? To where? When you write a function, you have to write a complete function. अगर from kidney लिखेंगे, this is considered to be the half answer. और half answer के लिए शायद आपको एग्जाम में मार्क्स नहीं भी मिल सकता है. Because टीचर्स लोग जो है, okay, as per the board rule, half mark is not allowed. Either you get 1 mark or 0 mark. Either you get 1 mark or 0 mark. So please, if you are sitting, you are watching this video, sit with the notebook and pen, and whatever I am writing, you can write it down. Okay, fine. Here we go. 14th one, super 20 questions. So 14th one, Bowman's capsule and Malpighian capsule, parts included. Parts included. Very important question. Very important question. Part included. Yes, Bowman's capsule. Okay, it includes what? And Malpighian capsule is what? Part included. Yes, let your answer come in. Okay, let's your answer float in. Let's your answer pour into the chat box. Come on, quick. Yes, yes, I am reading all the comments. एंड आई सी दैट हमारे यहाँ पर सिर्फ पढ़ने वाले बच्चे आते हैं. ओके, सिर्फ पढ़ने वाले आते हैं. एंड आई वेलकम ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू डू समथिंग इन देयर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. यहाँ पर टाइम पास बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, ऑफ ऑल द चैंपियंस हु अटेंड माय लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग. राइट, so here we go. Okay, I think, okay, there is a lag in comments. Efferent, what efferent? Yes, Bowman's capsule and Malpighian capsule. See what is the correct answer. Bowman's capsule, we want parts included. It is a cup-shaped substructure. It is a cup-shaped structure that indicates the beginning of nephron. It is that structure which indicates the beginning of nephron. Malpighian capsule, it is compromised. Okay, it is comprised of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. This diagram of Malpighian capsule was asked in a specimen paper. In a specimen paper. तो क्या ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट होगा? मे बी. क्या दूसरा आएगा? तो अगर ये नहीं आएगा तो कौन सा? ये अगर नहीं आता है तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आर्टरी और वेन वाला डायग्राम आ सकता है. if not that, kidney wala diagram aa sakta hai. So please learn, please practice that at least twice or thrice before the examination. Let us come to 15th one. Renal cortex and renal medulla, part of the nephron present. This is very easy. If you are well prepared, if you are gone through your syllabus properly, you know the answer. Renal cortex and renal medulla. For your kind information, I know you all know this, but just to brush up, renal means something which is related to what? Kidney. Which is related to what? Kidney. Pulmonary, okay, when something it is related to lungs, then it is pulmonary, right? Then heart se related kuch hoga to cardio, right? And anything else? Okay, cardio, pulmonary, renal. What else? Okay, if I'm missing out something, let me know. Now what we want? Part of the nephron present. Part of the nephron present, right? Okay. Nephron we all know. Nephron, Malpighian body. Then all the other parts. Okay. कौन से part? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, my champions, you are absolutely right. I can see, I can read your comments. Okay, absolutely right. Now check your answer. Renal cortex, okay, Malpighian capsule, PCT and DCT, proximal convoluted tubules and distal convoluted tubule. These three parts are located in renal cortex. Do you remember? Okay, ये cup like structure. Okay, cup like structure, then PCT, then DCT, and collecting duct. Okay, so this part is in renal cortex. Okay, renal cortex. So this Bowman's capsule, okay, Malpighian capsule, PCT. Okay, this part is PCT. Okay, I should use different color. This part is PCT and distal nazdik wala close to proximal or dur wala DCT. They are situated in the cortex. And what about renal medulla? Loop of Henle and collecting ducts. They are in the renal medulla. Is it right? Is it right? Do you agree? Can we move on to next question, please? Which is 16th one. Just to remind you, you can have this. How to draw neuron? How to draw neuron? Very important. How to draw kidney? How to draw Malpighian capsule? This question was there in your specimen paper. How to draw nephron? How to draw excretory system of human being? How to draw TS of artery and vein? Please go through all 6 video. अगर आपका ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं है, ड्राइंग अच्छा है, वेल एंड गुड, नीड नॉट रेफर टू दिस वीडियो. अगर ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं है तो जरूर रेफर करना. एनीबॉडी एनीबॉडी ओके हु कैन होल्ड अ पेंसिल एंड स्क्रिबल ऑन अ पेज, वो लोग ये वीडियो देखकर डायग्राम, बायोलॉजी के डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट वन डायग्राम इज फॉर श्योर, एटलीस्ट वन डायग्राम इज मस्ट. हो सकता है शायद दो दो डायग्राम भी आए. तो मेल्फिजियन कैप्सूल वाज in a specimen paper, shayad repeat ho in your board paper. If not that, kidney and artery, these two diagrams are above other remaining 3 diagrams. Okay, but they may surprise us by putting any of this diagram, but ये 6 diagram में से ही एक आएगा. Okay, apart from eye वाला diagram है. Okay, myopia, hypermetropia, okay, that is also diagram, but वो diagram question answer है. I will include that separately, but इनमें से diagram आ सकता है, either 1 or 2. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, yes, let us continue. These are the videos. Okay, बच्चों लोग बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं between true and false. फॉल्स लिख दिया लेकिन रीजन नहीं लिखा और करेक्ट नहीं किया फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट को. फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट को करेक्ट किया तो इट इज नॉट करेक्टेड इन अ प्रॉपर वे. हाउ टू राइट अ फंक्शन? फंक्शन शुड ऑलवेज बी कंप्लीट. फंक्शन शुड ऑलवेज बी कंप्लीट. एज आई हैव करेक्टेड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स नाउ. कैसे वो इनकम्प्लीट फंक्शंस लिखते थे? इनकम्प्लीट फंक्शन को एग्जाम में फुल मार्क्स नहीं मिलता है. सो यू हैव टू राइट अ फंक्शन, यू हैव टू राइट योर करेक्ट फंक्शन, राइट? एंड लोकेशन, व्हेन यू राइट योर लोकेशन इट शुड बी बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट. अगर कोई नोट्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं उसमें लोकेशन प्रॉपर वे में नहीं दिया, प्लीज डोंट फॉलो इट. प्लीज डोंट फॉलो इट. ओके, आई विल put this downloadable PDF in the description box. अगर नहीं मिला तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दो, सर प्लीज डाउनलोड दी प्लीज पुट द डाउनलोडेबल लिंक. इफ आई फॉरगेट लेट मी नो. ओके, वो डाउनलोडेबल लिंक के लिए का डिमांड करो आप कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर. ओके, इफ इट इज नॉट ओपनिंग और एनी प्रॉब्लम लेट मी नो. Okay, and apart from this lucky charm video and this confidence wala video, before going to any exam, every exam you should watch this video. I think 1.8 1800, more than 1800 students have already watched this. right? Okay, moving ahead 16th wala question. Spinal nerve and cranial nerve, a sure short question, 100% question. आपका बायोलॉजी का पेपर इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. टेल मी नंबर, क्या नंबर आपको बायट है? आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो दिस आंसर. जिन्होंने भी पढ़ाई किया है, ओके, दे मस्ट बी श्योर अबाउट दिस. ये नंबर लिखना है, एक्यूरेट लिखना है. ये क्वेश्चन आइदर इन डिफरेंस बिटवीन और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स और नेम द फॉलोइंग, कहीं ना कहीं ये क्वेश्चन आपको जरूर मिलेगा. टेल मी व्हाट इज द नंबर. ओके, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ स्पाइनल नर्व्स? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से जो नर्व्स अटैच है, हाउ मेनी नर्व्स आर देयर? एंड क्रेनियल, ब्रेन से जो नर्व्स अटैच है, सो हाउ मेनी? ओके, you can tell me. Okay, yes, answers have started coming up. Okay, spinal nerves are 31. Spinal nerves are what? 31. What is the number of cranial nerves? What is the number of the cranial nerves? Yes, chat box is your, comment box is your, write your answer over there. I think ये 9th standard में भी था. Yes, definitely 12 pairs. Please don't forget pairs. Okay, 32 multiplied by 2 is 62 and this 24. Okay, but you have to write your answer in terms of pair. So here is the answer. Okay, you must be proud that you are champions. You are giving all the answers correct. And if at all you don't know the answer, dhyan se dekho, they all are important. Okay, I will make videos based upon difference between location, function, डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, आई सी दैट क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट रिपीटेड. अगर आप लोगों ने ये 20 या 40 क्वेश्चंस भी कर लिए, योर एंटायर सिलेबस इज कवर्ड. Okay, and you are well prepared for the examination. I will prepare all the super 20s and super 40s question bank myself. Okay, and I'll make sure that each and every point we have covered. No need to solve 400 questions, no need to solve 500 questions. सिर्फ ये 40 या 20 क्वेश्चन मैं देता, उतना करो, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. ओके, मोर देन इनफ. उसी पर फोकस करो और अच्छे से फोकस करो. आई एम नॉट गिविंग ओनली क्वेश्चंस, आई एम गिविंग यू आंसर्स. एंड यू हैव सीन ये आंसर्स कितने एक्यूरेट है, कितने ऑथेंटिकेट है. इट इज एज पर द रूल्स, okay, assigned by the council, ki in what manner do they want the answer, in what manner. And on the top of that, all this, the entire syllabus is included. जो मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, they must have developed a faith till now. कि कुछ बच्चे लोग, I tell some question and they start typing, sir, this is out of syllabus. लेकिन हर बार, whether it is what, whether it is your history paper or it is your physics paper, it is your chemistry paper, जो बच्चे लोग बता रहे थे out of syllabus, they were in syllabus. And those questions were also, some of them were also asked in the examination, right? तो अगला question is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Explanation. Either you can explain this, you can write a definition if it is there, or you can explain what is the difference between this. Okay, one arouses the body, one prepares the body for fight and flight, and the other one cools down the body. ये तो सबको मालूम है, ये हम सबको मालूम है. But how are we going to write in the examination in exact words, so that you get good marks? Okay, so that good marks. I remember कल का ही क्लास था, फॉर्मिक एसिड. व्हेन वी वर डूइंग एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन, फॉर्मिक एसिड, तो बच्चे लोग टाइप कर रहे थे, सर व्हाट इज फॉर्मिक एसिड? ओके, इट इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. आई टोल्ड यू राइट इन द बिगिनिंग, IUPAC विल नॉट बी दैट डिफिकल्ट. वो आप लोग कर लेंगे अगर मार्क्स जाएंगे आप लोगों के, तो ट्रिवियल नेम, कॉमन नेम में जाएंगे. नाउ इन टुडेज पेपर, आई थिंक एटलीस्ट 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन वर रिलेटेड टू द कॉमन नेम. एंड आई हैव शेयर्ड अ नोट्स विथ यू. फर्स्ट पेज में ही मैंने सारे के सारे कॉमन नेम्स इंक्लूड किए थे. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट राइट. ओके, so how do you write the answer? Okay, so explanation. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for a stressful or a emergency situation like fight or flight. This is the explanation for the sympathetic nervous system, and parasympathetic nervous system is concerned with the re-establishment of the normal condition, relaxation after a stressful emergency situation is over. कोई खतरा देख लिया आप लोगों ने, आपके फ्रेंड ने आकर आपको डरा दिया, भाओ, so we get scared. So that feeling, okay, that is like our sympathetic nervous system becomes active, राइट. तो बॉडी अराइज, समटाइम क्या होता है, वी फाइट, और कभी कभी हम लोग डर जाते हैं. दैट इज अ वे इन विच वी प्रोटेक्ट आर सेल्फ, इन विच वी प्रोटेक्ट आर बॉडी, राइट. नॉट ओनली दैट, नॉट ओनली दैट, पैरासिम्पथेटिक बॉडी, बॉडी को फिर नॉर्मल कंडीशन में भी लाना है. सो दिस पैरासिम्पथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम become active and it brings body to the normal state, right? So medulla oblongata and cerebellum function. I hope you remember. I hope you remember. Medulla oblongata and cerebellum. What is the function? Let me know. Let me know. Fine. Type your answer in the comment box. We are into 18th question. We are into the 18th question. Correct? Yes. Okay. It controls involuntary action. It controls, medulla oblongata controls involuntary action. Absolutely right. Like breathing, respiration, okay, respiration, digestion, which are not under our control, is is controlled by medulla oblongata. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Deepa, she is writing even more accurate answer. Okay, control the activity of the activity of the internal what? You have to write it completely. Okay, internal organs, and cerebellum. It controls the activities. Okay, it helps in maintaining the body balance. Correct, correct. Okay, here we go. Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. 18th wala. It controls the activities of the internal organs. Okay, I think ये दोनों आंसर को मर्ज कर दिया. Wait. Okay, first sentence. First sentence. Okay, this there is some problem here. Okay, medulla oblongata, it controls the activities of internal organ. Only this much answer you can strike off this part. ये function तो cerebellum का है. Okay, it controls, it helps. Okay, second one, helps in maintaining the body balance, maintaining the body balance. दोनों दोनों में mix हो गया. तो first statement is the function of medulla oblongata, and second one is the function of the cerebellum. Don't worry, before I share this file, I'll make the necessary changes over here. Okay, agar nahi bhi, okay, if I forget, so you know this. Okay, coming to 19th question, cerebrum and spinal cord, arrangement of a nerve cell. Again, very important question. Okay, arrangement of nerve cells are different. Okay, gray matter, white matter. Okay, iska organization. How do you write that? How do you write that? Yes, Dishita Joshi, absolutely right. Cerebellum maintains the body balance for coordination and control or the muscular activities, and medulla oblongata carries the activity of the internal organs of the body like respiration, digestion, which are involuntary. Right? Now what? Cerebrum and spinal cord arrangement. Okay, arrangement. Yes, you have to write your answer with reference to gray matter and white matter. Correct? So here we go. Here we go. Okay, arrangement. Cerebrum, gray matter is found on the outer side, which contains the cell bodies. Okay, neuron. Okay, cell body is this part of the neuron. Okay, and axon, right? And then nerve ending. ये diagram भी important है. ये diagram भी important है. This diagram of neuron is in 8th standard. Okay, and in 10th standard also. White matter remains toward the inner side, which mainly contain axon. So arrangement, gray matter is out on the outer side, white matter is inside, in cerebrum, in the brain, right, in spinal cord. Okay, this is ulta. Okay, this is reverse. White matter lies toward the outer side, contain the cell body of a motor efferent and association neuron, while gray matter maintains remains towards the inner side. Okay, I'll try to go out of a screen so that you can have a complete look at this answer. Complete look at this answer, right? Have you seen it? Can we move on to last question, that is 20th one? Can we move on to the last one? Yes, yes. Okay, such a big answer. Kipu is typing such a big answer. Very good, very good. Here we go. Here we go. Question number 20. Near vision and a distant vision. Shape of the eyeball. Okay, shape of the eyeball. So defect in a vision. What is the change in the shape of the eyeball? When you have this problem of near vision, what is the shape of the eyeball? And when you have a problem related to distant vision, what is the shape of the eyeball? Another very important question. This question has all the qualities of finding a place in your biology paper semester 2 examination. You will get all the answers here on your YouTube channel, that is Pravin Sir's PrepWin ICSE, right? So what? What is the shape of the eyeball? Come on. Yes, Someshwar. Okay, Someshwar Reddy is trying to remind all of you to hit the like. Okay, like button को जो है जरूर hit करना है. Okay, when you hit the like button, that keeps your sir motivated. If I am motivated, I'll bring very important questions like this. Also, you will be getting a crispy to the points and the notes, which is as per the rules, okay, assigned by given by the council, the exact rule, that notes you will get here. If you want that, तो आपको इस वीडियो को लाइक करना है, इसको शेयर करना है. Okay, and definitely if you are here, you have already subscribed to my channel, right? अगर नहीं किया होगा तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना. See here. Okay, very good. Near vision and distant vision. What is the shape of the eyeball? Have a look at the answer. When a person has a problem of near vision, his eyeball have become more convex, concave and convex, okay, or rounded. And distant vision, here shape of the eyeball is more flattened. Okay, more flattened. So these are the shapes. Not many words, but this answer is absolutely correct. Okay, it is as per the question asked, right? Do you want bonus questions? Do you want bonus questions? So here, okay, here, sense organ, chapter is sense organ, biology, ICSE, semester 2 question. There are some other bonus questions also. If you want, you can wait. If you don't want bonus questions, you can leave. Right? So myopia and hypermetropia, condition of the eyeball. You know these are disease. Okay. These are not disease, actually they are defects. They are defect. We all wear spectacles because we correct these defects in the eyeball. All those who have spectacles, okay, that is a correction. So this condition of the eyeball in myopia and hypermetropia, this is very very important. This is very very important. When I come up with my super 40 questions, when I come up with my super 40 questions for, okay, for super 40 question of subjective questions, so this part is very important. I will cover this part systematically and properly. I will include all the questions will not be repeated, so that please follow it properly, okay, because this part is very important. Yes. Myopia is a nearsightedness. Okay, triple A, triple B. Okay, lens is too curved, I think. Okay, okay. Condition of the eyeball. Okay, see here. Myopia, eyeball is lengthened from front to back. The lens become too curved. The lens become too curved. This is the condition. And in hypermetropia, eyeball is shortened from front to back. The lens become too flat. Lens become too flat. Correct? Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Yes, yes. In myopia, absolutely right. Eyeball is elongated. Okay, it is lengthened. It is elongated, right? Here we go. Choroid layer and sclerotic layer function. In our eye, human eye, there are three layers. There are three layers. Okay, choroid layer and sclerotic layer function. Your function should be complete. You cannot write incomplete function. If you write incomplete function, you will not get marks. You will not get marks, right? Okay. यस पीडीएफ ऑलरेडी ओके इसका पीडीएफ ऑलरेडी बनाया है और इसका पीडीएफ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल भी दिया आई डोंट रिमेम्बर बट आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी पुट दिस अगर नहीं डाला होगा फिल द कमेंट बॉक्स विथ योर कमेंट्स कि सर पीडीएफ ओके सर पीडीएफ गिव अस अ पीडीएफ ओके as soon as I read your comments I'll if it is not there I'll put it okay okay Choroid layer. What is the function of the choroid layer? Please write the complete function. Please write the. Yeah, this is a common problem with all the students. अगर teachers लोग strictly paper check करने लगेंगे तो locations और functions almost 80% of students will go wrong in this. Yes, choroid layer provides blood and oxygen or nourishment to the retina. Definitely, okay. Supplies blood. जहाँ पर भी blood supply होता है, there is a nourishment. तो choroid layer, okay, ये retina को, okay, retina जो है उसको nourish करता है, provides a blood supply, right? And what about sclerotic layer? Sclerotic layer. What is the function of a sclerotic layer? Yes, sclerotic layer maintains the shape of the eyeball. Shape of the eyeball is maintained by this layer. So see this complete function. Teachers want complete function. Choroid layer supply blood and nourishes retina is incomplete function. तो अगर ये layer जो है choroid layer if it nourishes retina what is the procedure by supplying the blood it nourishes the retina. Sclerotic layer gives the shape to the eyeball. Don't write sclerotic layer gives shape to what to the eyeball. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, dynamic balance and static balance. Definition it is advisable if definition question is asked write the same definition given in your Selena textbook. Try to write that. If you cannot remember and you cannot write the same definition at least all the keywords should be included in your definition. All the keywords has to be included in your definition. So dynamic balance and a static balance. Dynamic means in motion, static means at stationary at one place. So okay, from the sense organ differentiate between dynamic and static balance with reference to definition. So this is the definition. The balance which is achieved by the stimulation of endolymph present in a semicircular canal is called a dynamic balance. तो डायनामिक बैलेंस ये कहाँ पर होता है सेमी सर्कुलर canals. Okay, they are in the human ear and they have arranged themselves. Okay, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था Fleming's law. वैसे ही there are three semi circular canals and they are perpendicular to one another. Okay, तो what is the function of the ear? क्या ear का एक ही function है सुनना? नहीं. Okay, उससे भी एक important function है that is to maintain the body balance. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा when you bend down, okay, when you bend down and when you get up suddenly you feel a giddiness, चक्कर आने जैसा लगता है. Reason is ये chemicals जो होते हैं in a semi circular canal they go here and there. Okay, आप लोग जब गोल गोल घूमते हैं okay, so what happens this liquid inside this semi circular canal okay वो इधर उधर चले जाता है and then when you suddenly stop okay चक्कर आने जैसा you feel a giddiness or something like that. So that is because ये अपने आप को बैलेंस करने का कोशिश कर रहा है. Are you getting it? Let me read your comments. Maintain body in a rest. Yes. Okay, but यहाँ पर जो है फंक्शन नहीं पूछा है, डेफिनेशन. दैट इज व्हाट आई कॉल. यू हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट. क्या पूछा है? डेफिनेशन. सो यू हैव टू राइट अ डेफिनेशन, राइट? Okay, what is the static balance? The balance which is achieved through the gravity receptors located in the utriculus and sacculus is called the static balance. अगर आप लोगों ने ह्यूमन एयर का डायग्राम देखा होगा, so we can see, okay, we can see ये थ्री सेमी सर्कुलर कैनल. लेकिन ये जो लोकेशन है, ये डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में भी आ सकता है. यूट्रिकुलस एंड सैक्यूलस, उसका लोकेशन भी अच्छे से देखना, वेयर दे आर लोकेटेड. जस्ट ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दिस वेयर दे आर लोकेटेड. अगर नहीं मिल रहा है तो मेरा एक डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, उसमें से डाउनलोड करना. आई हैव फाउंड आउट, ओके, आई हैव ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम. Right, here we go. Fourth question, rods and cones pigment present. One is responsible for a color vision. Now you look at me, you are looking at the screen, color screen, okay, but when you are in dark, रात में जब सब अंधेरा होता है, okay, when you see, okay, तो वहां पर जो है rod cell and cone cells, okay, one responsible for colored vision and other responsible for a vision in the darkness, other responsible for the vision in the darkness. So कौन सा पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट है? वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा. यू हैव टू लर्न दिस क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. लेट मी नो पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट इन द रॉड्स. Response, yes, 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 my champions are prepared. I can see the comment box, सारे right answer आ रहे हैं. Okay, okay, so what is the pigment present? रोड्स में रोडोप्सिन. rods में rhodopsin. What is the another name for the rhodopsin? Please write in the comment box. What is the another name? rhodopsin के लिए और एक another name. There is another name also. Write that name in the chat box. I want to know. Okay, क्या आपको उसका another name मालूम है? Okay, do you know the other name? Yes, try. Okay. Yes, it is visual purple. It is visual purple, right? And cones contain pigment called, ये आप लोग याद रख सकते हैं कैसे? आर rods rhodopsin. Then cones के लिए iodopsin, okay? Or the alternate word is visual violet, okay? Alternate name भी याद रखना, otherwise they will trick you with this question. Don't worry, there are just 7 bonus questions. We are into fifth one, 2 more to go. Okay, rods and cones activity, we already have discussed these activities. Okay, their function, okay, they are functional in dim light for night vision, and other one is functional in a day vision, okay, in a daylight. Which one is active, okay, in a dim light, and which one is active in a night light? Okay, rods, which one? Rods, day or night? Rods, rods are active when day or night? What? Rods, day or night? So rods are active in, okay, order में ही दिया गया, during dim or a night vision. Cones during a daylight. Correct? Is it fine? Is it correct? Can we move on to next question? That is sixth one. Okay, again a very important question. ये question काफी teachers लोगों का favorite question है. I have seen this question in so many pre-board examination. कुछ स्कूल के तो when they had 2 pre-board examination, दोनों में भी ये पूछा था. Let me know, क्या ये आपके pre-board exam में पूछा गया था? Let me know in the comment box. Let me know in the comment box. Diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus, okay, cause or a reason. What causes diabetes mellitus and what causes diabetes insipidus? Let me know what is the cause. Okay, yes. Name of the chapter for this is what? Endocrine, okay, endocrine system. Yes, it is related to secretion of hormones. Yes, let your answer come in. Yes, ओके यस, काफी सारे बच्चे लोग बता रहे हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन उनके प्री बोर्ड एग्जाम में आया था. आई नो दिस इज टीचर्स फेवरेट क्वेश्चन. ओके, हियर वी गो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर डिस्टिंग्विश में भी नहीं आया तो ये 1 मार्क का अलग से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. डायबिटीज मेलिटस अकर ड्यू टू under secretion of insulin. Insulin is a hormone, okay, which in turn increases the glucose level in the body, okay. And diabetes insipidus is caused due to deficiency of ADH. Deficiency of ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Its main symptoms are excessive thirst, excessive urination without glucose in urine. Okay, no need. You can skip the you can skip the symptoms, but cause you have to write. First statement is very important. Right? Is it fine? Is it fine? Can we continue? Can we continue? Let your chats keep on coming. Okay. Also, if you have not liked the video, please make sure that you are liking this video. Right? Because जब वीडियो अच्छा चलता, I am encouraged to make more and more video like this. कल आप मुझे वापस देखना चाहते हैं, परसों वापस देखना चाहते हैं with same important videos like this, you have to encourage me by hitting that like button, by pressing that like button. Okay, can I continue? Here, last question of the day. Acromegaly and cretinism symptoms. Okay, these are disease, right? Both are disease. Acromegaly and cretinism. Okay, what are the symptoms? Which hormones are responsible for this? What are the symptoms? Which hormones are responsible for this? Can you let me know? Can you let me know which are the hormones responsible for this? Yes. Am I blocking the vision? I'll move here. Okay, tell me which hormone. Yes. Yes. I'm waiting for your answer. Acromegaly. You all know this acromegaly is a disease, okay, which causes disproportionate, okay, growth of the bones. Bones are grown not in proportion, okay, not in proportion. Then cretinism, okay, it is found. Yes, I could see the answer. Geeta Prasad. Acromegaly symptoms include enlargement of the face and hands. Okay, what do we want? Symptoms. Yes, both proportionate growth of the bones. Okay, so that is the effect anyway. Cretinism symptoms we want is caused due to hyposecretion of thyroxine. Correct, but we want what? Symptoms we want. We want symptoms, right? We want symptoms. See, last question and last answer. Acromegaly, it is caused by excessive growth of hormone after adulthood. The bones of a lower jaw and limbs become abnormally large, but the body does not attain a giant stature. Okay, cretinism is mainly affect the physical and mental growth of a children, due to which he and she has retarded growth and mental development, right? Okay, cretinism is caused. It is a disease caused in children. Okay, how do you find? What are the symptoms which you find a child may be suffering with this disease? So you see mentally retarded growth. Okay, retarded growth and mental development. No proper mental development. Okay, mental development is not proper. That is a symptom. And here you can see lower jaw becoming more, okay, bigger than the upper jaw, and even limbs become abnormally large. बहुत height बड़ा हो जाता है, okay. But that is again the another one, gigantism, okay, not this one, right? So I think we have covered all super 20 question and bonus questions in 7. Okay, so here we have come to end of our class. If you have any doubt, if you have any requirement, you can type in a chat box. कि अगला अगला क्लास क्या देखना चाहते हैं, डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, लोकेशंस, फंक्शंस, एमसीक्यू, टुमारो व्हाट डू यू वांट, विच वीडियो डू यू वांट, कौन से नोट्स चाहिए आप लोगों को, लेट मी नो। ओके, व्हाट शुड आई कम अप विथ टुमारो, चलो फटाफट बता देना। ओके, आई सी अनुष्का अंकुश डायग्राम, yes let me know, triple B location, okay let me know, okay let me know। अगर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग भी खत्म हो गया, इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस एज अ रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर, तो आप लोग मुझे जो है कमेंट बॉक्स में भी बता सकते हैं कि विच नेक्स्ट वीडियो डू यू वांट। Okay, diagram based question, diagram, many students are saying diagram, let me know, let me know, I'll come for a diagram also, location also, function also, चलो तीनों वीडियो लाऊंगा मैं, but which do you want first, which do you want first, पहला वीडियो कौन सा चाहिए आप लोगों को, let me know, let me know पहला वीडियो कौन सा चाहिए, which video do you want to see first। Okay, here we go. Please don't forget to watch these videos. Please don't forget to watch this video. इन छह में से स्पेसिमेन पेपर में ये ड्रॉ करने बोला है, मेल्फिजियन कैप्सूल। एग्जाम में आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा आएगा, कौन सा आएगा? आई थिंक किडनी या आर्टरी और वेन आएगा। आई थिंक किडनी और आर्टरी या वेन आएगा। और अगर डिफिकल्ट पेपर सेट करना है तो दे में आस्क नेफ्रॉन, ओके, नेफ्रॉन और एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम। ये न्यूरॉन इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, न्यूरॉन इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट ये एग्जाम में ज्यादा नहीं पूछा जाता है क्योंकि ये 8th स्टैंडर्ड का भी क्वेश्चन है। ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन, बट मे बी हु नोज, शायद आ जाए। ओके, my signature step, okay, my signature step। ओके, लेट मी नो इन योर कमेंट बॉक्स कि अगला वीडियो कौन सा चाहिए। ओके, अगला वीडियो कौन सा चाहिए। नाउ इट इज अ टाइम टू से गुड नाइट, सो गुड नाइट फ्रॉम माय साइड। आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ इन माय सिग्नेचर स्टेप, इन माय यूनिक वे। I am Pravin Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Yo, best of luck.